Alex Zimmerman.
Yeah, we stand up America, so we want talking together with Sam Palomino. Can we doing this?
You each have 2 minutes apiece.
Yeah, exactly. Come on.
Excuse me. First, I guess. My name is Sam Bellamio. I'm with Stand Up America. First, I'd like to say hello, my masters, my aristocrats. Thanks for allowing me to speak again. I'm here to talk about the Human Service Department, specifically Director Smith, even with United Way. We've brought this complaint to you for many years. Me for the last
5 years.
Alex has been coming for the last 5 years to speak with you about $500 that we pay an hour to subcontractors. We have their contracts. We've analyzed the information. We have it to give to you, to speak with you, and yet we still have not seen you or spoken with you about it. It's been ignored completely. I don't understand why Director Smith hasn't wanted to speak about this. We're talking about a $50 million problem. I'm a civil engineer. I'm not just some dude on the street. I understand how to use math and how to analyze things. And this is a serious problem. We're at $50 million. This is a lot of money, especially when we're in a recession right now. Why can't we speak to you? That's why I want to say thank you, my masters, aristocrats, the great king. What are we supposed to do? Beg and grovel for you to speak with us? We are concerned. We're talking about a problem up here. We're not talking about broken light bulbs. We're not talking about unpaid fines. We're talking about simple. It's so simple what we want to show you and speak to you about.
You ignore us totally.
So basically I'm asking, I'm begging, please, can we please have a meeting and speak with you? It's $500 an hour. This is a serious number. When you calculate the work they provide, oh, and there's no two-line inspection. There's no surveys to find out if the Health and Human Service Department is getting the bang for their buck. They haven't asked if Evergreen Care Network is one of the subcontractors, if they're even doing their job correctly. So you don't even have the inspection. I heard inspections several times from people. That is a very important thing to make sure the corporations you are hiring to provide public services for us are providing those services. We found they haven't, and we're concerned that you're not concerned. So please contact us. Let us show you what we got. And if it's nothing, then let it go in the wind. But at least talk to us about it. This is insane to me that you don't even want to talk to people. Like, it doesn't even concern you. It doesn't matter because I'm some cockroach, some guy on the street. Let me become a lobbyist and knock on your door 100 times. Then finally you'll speak to me? Please, speak with us. I'm a member of the public, and I want you to address this concern that I have. Thank you.
Thank you, Sam.
Hi, my name is Alex Zimmerman, and I once spoke about housing. What has happened with housing right now is a nightmare. And I'm sorry, my master, my aristocrat. We've spoken about this with you for 5 years. 5 years. We're talking about King Country Housing Authority and Seattle Housing Authority, who from support from HUD make $12 million disappear every year for nothing. King Country Housing Authority salary management, top management quadrupled for last 30 years, from $50,000 to $200,000. For last 10 years, double salary. 25% management, 80% manager from 320 workers who make a $10 million salary. This is exactly happened because we're talking with you about this for 5 years and nothing happened. King Country Housing Authority, Seattle Housing Authority, out control totally. Commissioner, what is your point? Totally corrupt. I go to commissioner meeting for last 4 years, first time in 97, 15 years ago. For last 4 years, I go to commissioner meeting every month. No one commissioner make correction. No one. Everybody want to be nice for people money. You will be nice too for people money. So my question very simple. Can we find one normal, civilized businessman, include you, who know what is need doing? You don't show me this time, please, because it's absolutely BS about time. So situation right now very simple. You want to explain to this. So it's more than 2 minutes?
Yep.
No, you total had 4 minutes. Your time is up.
Oh, together with him 4 minutes?
Total. Two minutes apiece.
Okay, I see.
Thank you very much.
Okay.